issued to me to appear on the 12th. However, may previous commitment ako, so I requested for an earlier setting. No, I just came here to clarify some matters that they want me to clarify. And just to set the record straight, I am a duly commissioned notary public for the city of Las Piñas over a decade, no? And as I've said, as I've explained, the pinagsamang sinumpaang salaysay is no ordinary affidavit, ano? Okay? Actually, marami kasi siyang mga affiance, no? So I had to perform my notarial duties in accordance with the rules on notarial practice, and I told the NBI that everything was documented. All the competent evidence of identity were verified, no? And they confirmed to me that it is their voluntary statement. So I just did perform my notarial duties, no? And we should not shirk on our duties to explain or to authenticate our act whenever we are asked by public authorities. That's what I did today, and thank you.
Sir, umarap ba yung 18 ex-Marines nung nag-notarize kayo ng affidavit nila?
Yes po, they subscribed the pinagsamang sinumpang salaysay on my front, no? And I verified all their identities and I administered the oath as expected of me as a notary public.
Sir, the director said it's very unusual to have one affidavit for all 18 affiants. Sir, kayo po ba?
As I've said, it is not different from all the affidavits that we do notarial acts for, no? It is a mere affidavit, only that there are so many affiants. The only problem with us is to how to squeeze it in the notarial register because there are 18 of them. Plus one, the witness, si Bishop. So yun lang naman ang kaibahan doon. Our duty is just ordinary, administer the oath. They affirm it, and we are bound to administer the oath because they confirm that it is their voluntary statement and allegations contained in the affidavit. So ganun lang. Hindi po unusual yon. Meron namang mga affidavit na joint marami. Ito lang kasi 18, no?
Nasabi nga rin po ni Ombudsman Rimulya na magkakasama sila palagi, alam nila lahat ng nangyayari.
Ganito po yan. Ang notary public po, wala pong alam yan kung ano po yung nilalaman ng statement na yan or yung salaysay na yan. Ang trabaho po namin, alamin namin kung yun ay pinirmahan ng kusa, walang pangako, walang gantimpala, walang pera, hindi sila pinuwersa. At kapag yan ay kinumpirma nila sa amin, i-administer namin yung oath nila. Yun po ang trabaho namin.
Bali, hindi niyo po nabasa sa yung affidavit prior?
We browse over it. Yeah, I browse over it. But I have nothing to do with the contents of the sinumpang salaysay. Hindi po namin trabaho yun. Basta sinasabi po nila, kusa po namin binigay ito at nakaharap kami sa iyo, ito po yung competent evidence of identity namin, kami po pumirma niyan, notaryohan po namin. Yun lang po.
Attorney, ano po yung nakikita niyo lumalabas sa news na kino-contest ninyo? Ano yung hindi totoo?
Wala po, hindi na po kasi ako tumitingin dyan kasi hindi ko na po alam kung anong totoo no? So ako, dinocument ko kung ano po yung notarial act na ginawa ko at dinocument din po nila. They are also anticipating any public scrutiny in the future, and I did it myself. Dinocument ko po siya. I know that is going to be a public concern, that I may be subject to public scrutiny. So I also documented it and I'm ready to submit it before the office of the NBI. Thank you.
Thank you.
May mga sinabit ka na document ngayon dito sa Bureau?
Ano po?
May mga sinabit ka na documents dito sa
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Ito po yung pagpapatunay na ako po hindi house show na abogado. Ako po may opisinang notarial office po. Yun nga po, kaya in-urge ko rin po yung public na sana po sa mga ganitong act, no, pumunta po kayo sa valid na sa mga lehitimong notary public, Marami po kasi mga nakikita diyan na nagkalat po sa mga kalye. Ito po ay solemn duty po namin as notary public, no. We are officers of the court, so we have to protect the public interest about these public documents po.
Attorney, last na, what's your reaction? Sinasabi nila bayaran daw kayo?
Actually, sinabi ko po sa NBI na dito po sa notary public ko, you can verify. Marami po akong libreng ninonotaryo dyan dito, hindi ko po siningil to. Bakit kanyo? Paano ko sisingilin yung mga yan? Ang dami nila, tapos notaryo, simpleng affidavit lang po. Yung mag-affidavit nga na magtatahon, nililibre ko
Sir, do you know Attorney Levy?
Yeah, I know him because he appeared to me. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney. Thank you so much. Thank you.